Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru Online Tutorials Day 39, Class 2. Please make sure to read our full disclaimer which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform. Please make sure you have comfortable clothing on and a free space with no obstacles so you do not harm yourself or others. Today I'll be taking you through some warm-up jumps, and the ideal footwear for today's class is either barefoot, ballet shoes or socks, however you feel most comfortable. Please make sure you have completed a ballet bar before attempting this exercise. So we're going to start in a parallel position, hands on our hips, and we're just going to do plie, bend, we're going to rise up and go back down, then we're going to go plie straight into rise, 6, 7, plie, I'm going to do 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to flick our feet into first position, we're going to repeat everything. So we're going to do plie, stretch, rise, down, plie, straight into the rise, 7, 8, another 3 jumps, 2, another jump, 3, 4, flick your feet into second position and the same thing again. Plie, up, rise, down, plie, rise, rise, plie, another 3 jumps, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to flick your feet back into first, and that's the exercise. And we're going to jump, flick your feet, first position. Hold the rise, second position. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the exercise. Goodbye.